Philippines. Okay, guys, this is it. This is our last run at this house. Supposedly, we turn over this house tomorrow to a new owner. We'll see how that works out so far. This will be the second time in 2 months, so we'll see. We're just going through last minute, any last minute things. Tomorrow there'll be a few more last minute things that have to stay here overnight. Other than that, the house is basically empty. There's nothing really left here. Priority stuff, I got some cameras in the house that have to go. And of course, I always leave a crucifix in the house until we leave.
Okay, guys, so
Coffee
Tommy.
maker's gotta go. You know, that I'll still use for the moment.
Okay. Anyway, guys.
This is my parents' house. They bought this house right after I was born, I think.
No.
Or right about.
You're
time I was
already,
born.
she was pregnant with you.
So, like when I was born, they bought this house. And it's been their house ever since.
So this is
Kind of
the.
sad to see it go. You know, I grew up in this house, so it's you know, a little sad to say goodbye to it. If I had the money, I would have just bought it. But I don't have the money, so
And
that's what
tax.
it is.
Tax is the killer.
Taxes are murder around here too, so.
So I'm sorry, guys, if he's smoking, but he won't stop smoking. So
That's how that works. That's really it. There's not really much else. Like I said, we've gone through everything, make sure everything's working. I had to change a couple of remote switches that I use to do some adjustments to the house while I'm not here. But those have to go because they're connected to my remote system, and basically I want them to be with my system. So they won't stay here. I just put regular controls back in, and they can modify it when they put it in their own system if they want.
so it's really hard to let go this house, huh? This is where you play in with your friends.
Pretty much. It's, like I said, it's a sad thing. Your whole life was basically this house. You grew up, friends came and went. People sold their houses and moved out, and new people moved in. And you had
You
different
don't really
friends.
have anybody now knows that when you were from the big kids here.
No, Jimbo was.
No, Jimbo,
But he used
she-
to live up there, but yeah, he's been in this neighborhood forever. He
But he passed away. Jimmy move
Jimmy
out.
boy, but he's gone now.
He move out somewhere.
Yeah, Cassidy's 2 doors over. They've been here for years,
They're still here, right?
as far as I know. Aside from that,
That's it.
that's really it.
So
Everybody else is, people changed.
So, mom would be not happy.
It should be very sad.
Yeah, she won't even leave. She won't even leave the house.
No, in her mind, she would die in this house. That was the way she planned it. Unfortunately, we kind of squashed that idea. Or, me trying to move her into the new house, and then Andrea taking her away from there and moving her into her house.
No, this is it. This
Well,
is
we
the
couldn't-
house.
We couldn't afford to pay 2 houses, so she had no choice. I had to move her out. And the idea was we bought the house so that she would have someplace safe and comfortable to be. And it didn't work out.
Did you look around the house? Isabel, you think will stop by here?
I don't know. This railing, believe it or not, this railing used to be like those railings out there.
Really?
I put that railing in.
You did put in there?
Yep, I built it, put it there.
Why the railing from outside?
Used to be wrought iron, like the metal railing, like outside.
Really?
Same as wasn't here. Wood was classier.
So, this is the goodbye of Tommy's house. We're coming back here tomorrow, guys. So, final walkthrough from the buyer.
We'll probably see you again tomorrow because we'll be back here before we finalize the sale.
Do you think we can come up here to see Knock Knock? Can we see the house?
No,
Why?
because I don't think we can, but we'll see.
A few years later, we check the house.
Yeah, we can stop and see, but I don't know if we'll come into the house. It's not like a TV show.
Okay.
People say, "Oh, sure, come on in." It's not like a TV show. Most people don't let strangers walk into their house.
But this is your house.
It's not your house. The minute you sell it, it's not your house.
Well, it's still, this is where you grew up. This is your house. In the name of time.
Doesn't
This is
matter.
you spend time over here.
I watch too many TV shows. Bye, guys. Alright, now I got...
Anyway, dito tayo sa labas, mainit. Pero, i-address ko lang yung nagsasabi na tungkol sa pakasal sa Pilipinas. May nagsasabi kasi na wag ko daw i-pressure yung asawa ko. Ang ingay doon eh. Wag ko daw i-pressure yung asawa ko or family ng asawa ko or something. Hindi naman yun pressure guys. Kasi po, ang nangyayari kasi, matagal na kami ni Tammy. And of course, napag-usapan na yan. Nagpunta ako dito sa loob guys kasi ang ingay sa labas. So ngayon, ang sasabihin ko lang naman is, hindi yun pang pressure guys. Kasi po, sa tagal na namin mag-asawa, I think napag-usapan naman namin din yun. Mahirap naman din ako magplano-plano magpakasal sa Pilipinas. Na plano na for ceremonial na para sa family at para blessing na rin. Ibe-bless kami, pag pray-over kami ng pastor. Sure na naman, ang hirap naman kung ako lang yung magplano at walang alam yung asawa ko, di ba? Matagal na itong plano guys, pero hindi talaga nangyayari pa kasi hindi pa kami nakapunta ng Pilipinas ulit. Ako, si Tammy, ganon. So yun, and iyon ko lang itong light ha. Han? Are you okay? Ang hirap naman kung ako lang yung nagpaplano at hindi niya alam. Okay? So, paano yan? Kung ako lang yung nagplano, of course, alam niya man yan. Gets naman natin yan na alam na niya. At hindi ko yan pinipressure. At kahit anong gawin ko, kung anong gusto ko, papayag yung asawa ko. Kung Katoliko man siya, ako born again. Kung saan ko gusto, doon kami. At saka kung mayroong magagalit, grabe, ikaw lang yung masusunod. Hey, mag-asawa kami, nag-uusap kami. So, may mga tao talagang hindi talaga mapigilan sa mga tao din na mag-react na parang hindi ko man lang inano yung asawa ko. Hi, love. Ang gwapo. Han, you're so gwapo. Yes, you are cute. You love me? I love you too. So, yun lang sa nagko-comment na ganon. Pasensya na kayo. Hindi nyo alam ang buong detalye. Hindi nyo alam yung mga pangyayari, ang plano namin. Yun, yung buong talagang nangyayari, hindi. So, gusto ko lang naman malaman. Ang gusto ko lang naman malaman is, okay ba siya? Hindi ba siya bawal na gawin? Kung pwede bang walang papel-papel? So, I think maraming nag-comment din. Salamat sa mga nag-comment tungkol sa okay lang, basta kay ceremonial lang or renewal or yun. At saka may nagsabi din na report marriage ko. Yun na yun. I think yun, yung report marriage na yan is, I think yun siya. Ipakita lang yung report marriage. So, that means kasado na kami sa Pilipinas. Ang gagawin lang is parang renewal. I think yun siya. Salamat po sa mga nag-comment. Salamat po sa mga nag-advise. Thank you po sa inyong lahat talaga. And sabi sa mga nag-private message, salamat po. And so yun. At saka itong asawa ko, wala siyang problema kung kasi gusto ko talaga sa born again. Gusto ko sa simbahan makasal. Yung parang lang baka na parang ma-feel ko lang na kinasal ako doon at saka meron yung family. Ganun lang naman. At saka salamat sa inyong lahat guys. So yun lang. In-address ko lang yung parang pinipressure ko yung asawa ko. At saka parang pinaplano ko lang ito at walang alam yung asawa ko. Grabe naman kayo. Parang kilala ninyo na talaga kami. At saka alam na niyo yung mga plano. At parang itong asawa ko walang alam sa mga guys, kung kilala ninyo ako, kung talagang kilala ninyo ako, lahat ng detalye, pati dugo ko, alam ng asawa ko. So, hindi ko matatago kung ano yung mga plano ko. At saka kung planong kasalan, dapat talaga alam niya. Kasi sino naman yung kasama ko kapag magpakasal? Palaka. Tao, hindi si Tammy. So, yun lang. So, yun lang yun ya. So, sa sobrang open ko, imposibleng hindi ko masasabi lahat ng gagawin ko sa buhay kay sa asawa ko. Kasi talagang open na open ako. Lahat ng mga pangyayari ng paligid ko, mga kilala ko, alam niya ng asawa ko. Kasi talaga yung asawa ko is talagang, siya yung parang pinagkatiwalaan sa lahat ng feelings ko, sa mga naramdaman ko, sa mga nangyayari sa katawan ko. Siya yon. At saka sa mga, basta siya yun. Lahat ng mga nangyayari, kung saan ako pupunta, kung ganon. Detalyado yan kay Mr. lahat. Alam niya yan lahat. Hindi ako yung asawang o tinatago ko yung ganon. Hindi ko kayang magtago sa ganyan kasi ako talaga hindi ko nga kayang magtago ng regalo para sa kanya. Hindi ko kaya kasi kahit regalo ko yan, surprise, hindi talaga kaya. Masasabi ko sa kanya. So yun, masasabi ko sa kanya. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Salamat guys sa panunood. Salamat sa pag-comment. Salamat sa mga advices. Salamat. Thank you. Bye guys.